Hello, and welcome to Web Scraping with Node.js. My name is Patrick, and I will be your instructor for this course.
In this course, you will learn how to scrape data from web pages using the Request and Cheerio node modules. We'll begin with an overview of how Request works to download pages and pipe out data. Next, we'll look at Cheerio and how we can use the jQuery-like syntax to retrieve elements off of a web page. We'll take what you've learned to create two sample web apps to scrape and display data first to our console and then to a web page. You should be familiar with JavaScript syntax in general. You should already have Node.js installed. You should know a little bit about MongoDB and Angular, although this will be a very small part. And it will also help to know some jQuery, since we'll be using syntax when using the Cheerio module.